We have a little carrying bag. And a 16.9 ounce bottle of water for comparison for size. The magnets feel snug. That's the person. Chicken.
So I want to do a very quick review on these magnetic blocks. First time I've seen them, and I think they're absolutely amazing. I love them. The younger children have not struggled with these at all. They're perfectly sized for smaller hands. They're lightweight and they're very easy for them to manipulate. If you listen, I think you might be able to just about hear. So I think they've got magnets inside them. They're very well made, and they have smooth but not sharp corners or anything like that. And they work really well, and they pick up blocks very easily. And they're very simple to use. So easy to build with. This one is the magic themed one. It's got a distinctive kind of Harry Potter kind of theme going on with the Gryffindor colours. There's a library sort of style thing going on, castle, there's potions on some of the shelves, and then you've got things like the owl, cat, familiars, I think there's a dragon as well, floating candles and the whole shebang. And this fella has got lots of different themes to work with, and these all fit really snugly in this great box. So I would definitely recommend them. Fantastic for now that especially the weather's getting colder, more rain on the way, and so it's fantastic for indoor play, and it's something that smaller kids as young as 3 can get to grips with and really enjoy. So I hope you find that the review was helpful, and thanks for watching.
Just so you know, you can keep in mind when you're buying.
I initially read about these blocks being small, so it didn't surprise me. But we actually enjoy this a lot. They make these nice sounds that, you know, it's just a pleasure to touch them. It's very like tiny little sound. We have blocks that are bigger than this one, and we've played them with them a lot, and they don't stick to each other this well. They stick real well, but they're super.
These come in a little great little box. You can keep them in. Magnetic. Can build all kinds of stuff. Stick right on top of each other. Build all kinds of things. Unlimited play for lots of hours. And then you just close this up and store it.